What's up guys, it's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to unbox this Ryobi lift blower. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go, guys. Again, I have here a jet lift blower, and this is 525 CFM, and this is 40 volts, and it comes with a kit, so battery charger and the lift blower. So again, this is not a sponsored vlog. I just got this one in Home Depot for about $268, but again, we'll see what's in a box. Come on. So there you go, guys. So we are going to unbox this. We'll see. I'm so excited because I still have snow outside. That's the purpose of having this, because I don't have any more grass outside. So just okay, very sharp knife here. Okay, there you go. Okay. Wow. Brand new. There you go. So again, I have this. I'll just put it here. And here's the big boy, the blower. There you go. And then there's a charger. Again, a charger, cable, and lastly, their battery pack is heavy. Okay, so probably I'll just put it like this. There you go. So again, we have to open the battery. Wow. There you go. Wow, it's heavy battery here. Super heavy. There you go. Interesting. So they have. I hope there's a charge here, so we can try it later on, and we can install this one here now. Put this one in, and then lock. Wow. It's okay, not that heavy. Okay. Now how could I slide this? Okay. So, wow, it's heavy battery. Really heavy. And all you have to do is to slide this, bang. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Wow. There you go. So okay guys, we're gonna try this one later outside, and we'll see how was the experience in having this on the snow, because I have here still snow, and then we'll see, okay? But before that, again, the information on this Ryobi 40 volts, it is about 110 mph, and it comes with the battery and charger. It's on the box again. So we'll see. The price, I think it's right for me. It's about 268, 65. And again, we're gonna try this one outside later, and then we will see.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
Anyway, again, I hope you enjoy watching my unbox here. And if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is NoyTebs. God bless and have a wonderful day.